Gujarat Titans started their campaign with a home game against Punjab Kings. They wanted to start their season with a win, so they huddled up and motivated each other to get 2 points on the board. In the beginning, it was a clash of debutants. Mohammad Siraj was making his debut for GT while Priyancharya was on his IPL debut. And that clash was won by Priyancharya, as he hit 2 boundaries to the bowler who has already represented India. Rabada gave the first breakthrough to Gujarat Titans in form of Prabhsimran Singh. That wicket brought captain Shreyas Iyer to the middle. Sarpanch Saab and Priyancharya put up a 50-run partnership in 3.5 overs before this happened. This was the first wicket of the season for Rashid Khan. He was planning to take 2 more before the end of the innings, but Shreyas Iyer read him well and gave him huge blows at regular intervals. He even brought up his 50 with a huge 6 to Rashid Khan. These blows didn't give Rashid Khan the confidence he seeks at the start of every season. Iyer weaved a couple of great partnerships with Stoinis and Shashank to reach in his 90s. But it was the last over of the innings and Shashank was on the strike. It was expected that Shashank will give strike to the Iyer, but it didn't happen. Shashank scored more than 20 runs in an over, but Iyer wasn't able to complete his century. Later we came to know that it was Iyer's message to Shashank that he should go for the runs and not worry about his 100. What a selfless knock it was by the captain. Now put up a mammoth total of 243 runs on the board, and it was celebrated with these fireworks at Narendra Modi Stadium. In reply, Gujarat was off to a slow start as Arshdeep didn't give any width to GT openers to score runs. As a result, GT lost its captain early, then Butler and Sudarshan came together to steady the ship. 100 for Gujarat Titans came up in the 10th over, and in the same over, Sai Sudarshan completed his half century. After that 50, Sai Sudarshan got out as the required run rate rose up to 14 runs an over. Rutherford and Butler scored runs at that required rate for 6 overs after Sai Sudarshan's wicket. Butler completed his half century, but one slow over shifted the momentum of the game. Rutherford was not able to score runs of the wide deliveries bowled to him as a part of Punjab Kings' strategy. As a result, Punjab Kings got the wicket of Butler and shifted the momentum in their favour. 26 runs were needed in the last over, and Arshdeep knocked the stumps of Rutherford. He conceded one big shot in the over, and that too came on the last delivery. That was enough for Punjab Kings to register their first victory in the season. Gujarat was expected to get that win, but they didn't start off their campaign as they wanted.